In some parts of the country, it does seem like the America that we know and love doesn't exist anymore. Massive demographic changes have been foisted upon the American people. And they're changes that none of us ever voted for and most of us don't like. From Virginia to California, we see stark examples of how radically, in some ways, the country has changed. Now, much of this is related to both illegal and, in some cases, legal immigration that, of course, progressives love.
In the year 2000, Hazleton was less than 2% Hispanic. Today, thanks to mass immigration, Hazleton is majority Hispanic. Now, we got those numbers from a recent piece in National Geographic, which quoted lifelong Hazleton residents as saying they no longer recognized their own hometown. They didn't hate immigrants. Most Americans like immigrants. But this was too much change. In fewer than 20 years, the culture their parents and grandparents had built evaporated. They never asked for any of that. It was just imposed on them. They were bewildered, understandably. But it's real, and for a lot of people who used to live there, it's traumatic. We're always told that when you bring in huge amounts of poor people from the third world with low levels of education, that you get much richer when you do that. That's the key to prosperity. No one who makes these decisions does it in their own neighborhoods, but they're always saying it's going to make you richer. Has Hazleton become richer?
No, and quite the opposite.